It's Christmas Day, everybody, and it's day 5 of our Christmas hunt. It was all about Zizah and his trains. Welcome back to Zizah's PlayStation, where we play with trains, learn, and have fun. This is the Thomas and Friends Talking Thomas and Percy train set. And big ups to Godmother, Auntie Cat, for getting it here in time for Christmas.
Thanks, Auntie Cat.
We wanted to get him a train set because he loves the Thomas and Friends series. And he'd watch YouTube and look at these amazing train sets on these channels. And we decided, we have to get him a train set. So here's a little bit more about the Talking Thomas and Percy train set. This is a highly detailed play set, and it features favorite places from the island of Sodor, including Vickerstown Bridge, the rail yard, Brendam Docks, and Blue Mountain. It also includes motorized Thomas and Percy train engines who recognize and talk to each other when they meet on the track. There are lots of exciting things to do on this track. Dropping boulders down the Blue Mountain cave, loading and unloading cargo, and creating your own exciting adventures all around Sodor. And now it's time to unwrap. What is that?
Thomas, Master Larry.
I don't think that's it. There's nothing. What happened?
That's nothing. What happened? That's nothing. Where? I see a Thomas.
I see a Thomas. And there's a Percy.
Faster.
Wow, that looks good. So what there's nothing in there though. What happened?
There's nothing. When he come back in.
Oh.
Let's turn around.
Let's open the box.
Yeah, put it up there so I can open the box.
Let's look at the Christmas tree. Oh my goodness!
Tap it. Nathaniel, you serious? No,
Hey, I'm Nancy. I'm Thomas. I'm making a sound. No problem, no problem. Oh, Thomas, stop.
We're going to the tunnel.
We are Make it, Thomas. Make it. I'm still at the top with your back. That's it, Thomas.
Hey, Nathaniel, look at me. What's going on?
No, maybe the inner outer me I do. If you make sure it's not gone.
We can't make him a house. Say no and fix the house. First, no and fix what? Oh! Point! Oh my goodness! Oh! Not again.
Remember you can switch the lanes.
We can't make him yet. How to breathe? Points. Oh, not again. It says how to breathe stuff. You must get him here. How to run away.
Thank you so much for watching.
Run away,
Please like,
Happy.
subscribe, and share. And if you want to leave your feedback, do so in the comment section below.
Point.
We appreciate you hanging with us. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.